Today, we visit where the best home cooking in Peru is served, involving a centuries-old tradition of back alley kitchens, popular with locals, but often overlooked by tourists who don't even know they exist.
Discover food.
Hey there, I'm Mac, a food explorer, and in this episode we're diving into the fascinating world of picanterias, found in Peru's second city, Arequipa. These unique spots date back to the 17th century and were originally created to keep rowdy drinkers out of the public plazas. To that end, they were often tucked away at the end of an alley, with just a red flag to indicate their presence. But what started as small drinking holes have evolved over the centuries into restaurants, serving up colourful and tasty local dishes. In this episode of Leave Your Tree, I've come to Nieves Picanteria in the Hunter district of the city and certified as cultural heritage by the Peruvian state. I meet Tatiana Vicencio, whose family have been in the trade for generations.
Es el valor histórico que nosotros como picanteras guardamos, cuidamos.
Sí, es súper importante.
¿Ya?
Sí, guardar esta tradición.
¿Ya? Y ahora también acá en este rinconcito hay la representación prehispánica, ¿ya? Cuando llegan los españoles, las épocas, ¿no? Y luego de esta, por ejemplo, esta es la primera olla de nosotros los peruanos, incas, españolas, y de ahí viene la modernización, luego pasó a las de porcelana, y hoy por hoy son las de aluminio.
Esta la... Sí.
Son las épocas que hemos ido pasando las picanteras en utensilios picanteros. O sea que hay épocas que se reflejan en este rinconcito y a los cambios que hemos asumido.
Here you can try good old-fashioned food from Arequipa that will knock your socks off. Nieves combines the inviting feel of a home kitchen mixed with a little museum vibe.
Entonces, esto data de 100 años aproximadamente. Porque,
¿Siempre tu familia?
No, yo lo conseguí de una familia muy antigua.
Oh, perfecto,
¿ya?
perfecto.
Porque acá se refleja, ¿ya? La economía del hogar que tenía Subatán, porque este era como una licuadora que hoy en día tenemos de diferentes, y esto era de mármol blanco.
Sí, pero eso es caro, ¿no?
Carísimo, carísimo.
Oh, eso es sí. Well, ese restaurante es un museo también.
Así es.
This is a museum piece.
Es importante para nosotros esta joya, que solamente la sacamos acá. Cuando viene un invitado como tú, la saco. Porque esta es nuestra joya de nosotros, porque esta ha sido de mi bisabuela, a la abuela, a mi mamá y a mí.
I better not drop it. Okay. Okay. The jewelry, it's a treasure. It's the jewelry of the family, been passed down through the generations. Incredible. You can really sense the pride they take in serving up traditional dishes that have been passed down through the generations. This is a true celebration of local culture. So, mira, respecto lo concepto, tú dices que acá es más de solo la comida, pero la comida es, mira, excelente. Pero tú estás diciendo que picantería, esta es más de la comida. Hay más de solo la comida, es la cultura.
Es una cultura. Acá en la picantería guardamos historia, conservamos nuestras tradiciones y nuestras costumbres. ¿Ya? Entonces hacemos una historia viva. But first, a big shout out to Andrea Quevedo from the Picanteria Society of Arequipa. She assists the 38 Picanteria members who promise high-quality food and a commitment to preserving this rich culinary heritage. I'll leave a link in the show notes so you can check out the full list of accredited picanterias. Also on hand is Carlos Salas, a local culinary consultant and picanteria fan, and he's on hand to answer all my questions. Tatiana was a fantastic host, explaining all the traditional ingredients used,
preparation methods, cooking techniques, as well as the history and importance of the picanterias in Arequipa's rich history. And I hope that you can get a flavour of this from this video. Hasta la chupe de camarones, ¿no?
Sí.
Chupe de camarones. Y el otro es lo...
Es caldito blanco con cecina, con cecinita, con chalona.
Chalona, ¿cuál es?
Chalona, cecina.
Carne seca.
De la cordero. Oh, yes, sí, esta con esta.
Hacemos los calditos.
Sí.
¿Vas a probar también?
Yeah, absolutamente. And while I was there, I got a masterclass in cooking from Tatiana, who showed me how she cooks a prawn stir-fry with veggies, complete with local herbs and spices. Delicious. So, what makes picanterias so special? Well, they're a food lover's paradise. These traditional spots serve the best home-cooked meals, attracting families from all walks of life who appreciate delicious food at budget-friendly prices. If you visit Arequipa, don't stop by a picanteria, you're really missing out. Seriously, eternal shame on you. Alright, let's get into some do's and don'ts for your visit. First off, picanterias usually only open for lunch, but make sure to arrive as early as possible. Once the pots of food are empty, that's it for the day. And please, don't embarrass yourself by ordering a Diet Coke with a twist of lemon. No, just dive straight into the chicha. The star of the show is chicha de guanapo, a lightly fermented black corn brew that's been produced by the indigenous peoples for over 7,000 years. Trust me, you'll want to try this. Next, definitely order some soup while you're here. Each day features a different local soup. On my visit, I had the chalona soup, which was fantastic, made with lamb charqui, dehydrated native potatoes. Hey, it's hearty enough to be a meal on its own, so come hungry. I skipped breakfast, and I suggest you do the same. Unless it's Sunday, of course, and then you need to get up at sunrise to try the best pork soup breakfast in town. But that's the subject of a previous episode. When it comes to the main course, you'll have plenty of delicious options. Maybe you want to try stuffed spicy pepper with potato pie, or crispy pork rinds, or perhaps a stew. But if you really can't decide, go for the Americano. No, that's not the coffee. The Americano is a massive plate with a little bit of everything on it, perfect for those who want to sample various dishes. This became popular back in the day with North American visitors to Arequipa who would turn up late for lunch and had to be content with the remains from the various pots of food. Or so the story goes. And last but not least, take your time. Relax, soak up the atmosphere and appreciate the sounds, the smells, the colours and rich tastes on offer. By visiting a picanteria, you won't just enjoy a great experience, you will also join a centuries-long tradition and you help ensure it continues for many more to come.